Meaning of gold-plated.
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 Gold-plated. The term gold-plated typically refers to a thin layer of gold that is applied to the surface of another material, usually for decorative or protective purposes. The gold plating process involves coating the base metal with a layer of gold through electroplating or other methods. This results in a shiny and lustrous appearance, as well as protection against corrosion and wear and tear. Gold plating is commonly used in jewelry, electronics, automotive parts, and various other applications where a highly polished and durable finish is desired.